Okay, so I really want to do just like a very quick, colorful, everyday kind of makeup look. Colorful eyes but just like simple, everyday makeup. I'm not gonna use like things like color corrector or anything like that. It's gonna be like very basic. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is put some lip balm on because my lips are really dry. So for my foundation, where did I just put it? I'm gonna use the Tarte Amazonian Clay BB Tinted Moisturizer in SPF 20. What? It's in ivory. It has SPF 20. And I'm just going to basically take a little bit of this. That's kind of a lot. And I'm gonna like put it on like a moisturizer. I'm using it as my sunscreen, basically. For concealer, I'm gonna use this new concealer that I literally just tried today. This is the NYX Bear With Me Serum Concealer. This is in the shade, what is this? I forget already. Light, I guess. I'm gonna take a small pump of this, about that much. And I'm just going to focus that underneath my eyes and then around my nose. And then whatever's left over, I'm gonna take it up a little bit onto my cheeks. And then I'm gonna go in with a clean finger and just like right underneath my eyes where I have creasing, pick up whatever's left over. All right, I'm gonna do a little bit of contouring using my Fenty Matchstick, which I literally just lost. Where is it? Oh, it's right here, literally right in front of my face. Teeny amount contour. Just like the typical stuff that I like to do. To blend that out right. So this thing is to add like a little bit more of a lift to my smile, because I look very angry resting face-wise. All right, I'm gonna put a little bit of eyeshadow primer, NARS Light. Taking a little bit of that underneath my eyes as well. Using my Rephr 04 brush, I'm gonna go in with the new, see, I don't know, I've heard people call this Refi, but I'm pretty sure it's Refi. At least that's how it's spelled. So this is the Cream Blush in Rose. It's very light, which I like because I'm so white. So I can kind of like build it up and not look like too much. For bronzer, NARS, I always almost say Laguna, just because that's the popular one. It's NARS San Juan. Very orangey, but I love it. It's like a golden kind of orange. So this is the first powder that I'm using so far. Gonna kind of like set the outer perimeter of my face and just add like a little bit of warmth. Always keep in mind that if you have coverage that you need to maintain, don't use swiping motions, use patting motions. That'll pick up less product and maintain more coverage. I have like one breakout here and here, but I don't really care about them, so. All right, I'm gonna do the eyes really quick. I want to just do something like colorful and smoky. I have this Wild Python palette from Huda Beauty that I've never used that I really want to try. So it's got like some greens and blues. It's got some oranges in it as well, or like warm tones, but I'm really interested in this color and like maybe that color. I don't know. So I'm gonna start off with the matte on just a big fluffy brush. This is my Morphe M573, and I'm gonna pick up this shade right here. Well, there's a lot of kickback with this shadow, just so you know. Lots. And I'm going to start working that into the crease. I'm taking this all the way up to the brow. just like following the eye socket. I'm just pulling it in ever so slightly when I get to the inner corner, just because I have like relatively deep set eyes. And the darker it gets in there, the more deep set they look, so you can use your eyebrows and your brow bone as a guide. I have a lot of room here, so I like to kind of just like bring it all the way up, but especially when I'm doing some kind of a smoky eye and I want it to be like a statement, I go all the way up to my brow and then drag it out a little bit. All right, and then for my lid, I'm gonna pick up this shade right here. It's kind of like a teal blue combo color. And I'm gonna press that all over the lid, just using my ring finger. That's really pretty. It's very lightweight. And then it depends. For the lower lash line, you could really smoke it out, or you can leave it naked. Like if you like this kind of a thing and just add mascara, it can be a little bit less intimidating if you just leave the lower lash line naked. However, that's not what I want to do. So using the Sigma domed pencil brush, I'm going to pick up that first teal color and run this all along my lower lash line, into the inner corner, out to the outer corner, and then drag it down. And when I said smoky, I really meant it. So I'm bringing that like below basically my eye bag, borderline into my dark circles. Which is why I didn't set my under eyes, because a lot of the time when I go in with powder and then I try to do this kind of thing, I end up creating like a lot of like skipping and breakage of the powder on top of the concealer. So I just figure, why try to cover up your dark circles when you can just like blend colors into them, you know? All right, and for the inner, I'm gonna, what am I doing? For the inner corner, I'm gonna pick up that same like shimmery blue on that little dome brush and just pop it like right here in the inner corner. All right, for my brows, I'm gonna use the Say Beauty Brow Butter. It's like a brow tint thing. What is this called? Gel, I guess, in a deep brown. Has little fibers. So I'm gonna go against the grain a bit, focusing it on the top. So kind of focusing on like the tail and the arch of my brow. And then just any sparse areas. All right, I'm gonna use my Velour Lash Curler. And then someone recommended the Say Beauty mascara, but you guys know how I am. Like I need waterproof, and it's not waterproof, but it's like a tubing mascara. Wait, maybe I might be mixing that up with something else. Whatever. Anyway, somebody recommended the Say mascara and said it was incredible. So my hopes are high. My expectations are low, but my hopes are high. Let's see what happens here. I would really love to love a non-waterproof mascara. Okay, as far as non-waterproof mascaras go, I don't hate it. I'm gonna do a second coat. It sets pretty fast, actually. Huh. I like it. All right, the real test will be like whether or not it actually like holds my lashes up, which it seems to be doing. So we'll have to see. But so far I'm like actually pretty impressed, because most of the time non-waterproof mascaras would already have like fallen quite a bit. All right, Ashley, this may have been a really good recommendation. I'm gonna do my lower lashes. We'll be right back. I fucked up. But I think I like this mascara. Okay, I'm going in with a little bit of Bare Minerals Well Rested Mineral Concealer to finally set, add a little bit more coverage and clean up ever so slightly. Just like brightening a little bit right under here. I'm not happy with my eyebrows. Well, since we're here and we're using Say, I bought a bunch of this stuff and I wanted to try it. So this is the Glowy Super Gel in Star Glow. It looks more like a moisturizer kind of deal, but let's just try this. Up on the cheekbones. It has pearl in it. I mean, that's nice. It just adds like a little bit of a dew. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of my blush brush just to blend a little. I feel like those things always end up just removing coverage and products, you know? I'm really not happy with that eyebrow. It's driving me crazy. This is the brow gel from Refi or Ruffy or however you say it, and then I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of a brow pen because I was not happy with those brows. All right, that's fine, whatever. Okay, so we did highlight for lips. I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of, I don't know, any lip liner. I haven't decided yet. I think I'm gonna use Makeup by Mario. Hue, the shade Hue. And then with NYX Nude Truffle, I'm just gonna do a little bit of contouring. All right, well listen, I feel better that I have a bunch of color on my eyes. I think I like this Say mascara, although it definitely doesn't hold my lashes as much as my waterproof, but it like, as far as a regular mascara goes, it's like not bad, you know? What do you guys think? That's it. I just wanted to do like a really quick smoke. To be completely honest with you, I haven't been able to do my makeup in a while, just for fun. So I just wanted to like play with some color and put some stuff on my eyes. And that's what we did. And I didn't even overline my lips that much. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you want to see next because I'm running out of ideas. Well, not that I'm running out of ideas. I feel like I've been out of them for a really long time. So I could use your help for some inspiration. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if this is something that you would wear on the daily. It was pretty quick, even though these videos are always long because I have to talk and blah, 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 blah. But this is for sure something that I would wear regularly. I love like a one shadow or a one color like smoky eye. It's like one of my faves. Anyway, that's it. Yeah, I gotta go make pesto. I'm so hungry. Bye.